स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल वेर सेफ एंड गुड। तो आइए आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हमारे चैप्टर 2 क्लास 11th द बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में। और इस चैप्टर में हमें देखेंगे कौन सी बातें हमें हाईलाइट करनी है जिससे एग्ज़ाम्स में क्वेश्चन बनते हैं और पूछे जाते हैं, और किस तरीके से हम इस टॉपिक को याद कर सकते हैं ताकि वो लंबे समय तक याद रहे। और एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे आप देख रहे हैं इस एनसीईआरटी में हमें कौन कौन सी बातें अंडरलाइन करनी है और हाईलाइट करनी है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। अरिस्टोटल हु वाज द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट साइंटिफिक बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन एंड ही यूज्ड simple morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs and herbs, and divided animal into groups red blood and those who did not have red blood. And Linnaeus at that time would divided two kingdom system classification, which were Plantae and Animalia. This system did not distinguish between the eukaryotes and prokaryotes, unicellular and multicellular organism, and photosynthetic green algae and non-photosynthetic fungi. And inadequate in this meaning is not enough. And moving on to the next page, which is characteristic of 5 kingdoms. In this, many type of question can be made, like in Monera, which type of cell wall is present, and Protista, which type of cell type is present, and fungi, the cell wall is present or absent, or present with cellulose, without cellulose, and in Animalia, cell wall is present or absent, which type of mode of nutrition is present in 5 kingdoms like Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. And the most important question is R.H. Whittaker, who is the first to propose 5 kingdom classification in 1969, and he used 5 main criteria for classification like cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship. Earlier it was on the basis of cell wall. Like classification systems include bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperm, and the angiosperms under plants were divided on the basis of cell wall, and all the organisms included had a cell wall in their cell. And the prokaryotic bacteria, blue-green algae with other groups which were eukaryotic, and Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra were placed together under algae. So the classification did not differentiate between the heterotrophic group. It is its demerit of this classification, like fungi and the autotrophic green plants, though they showed a characteristic different in their wall proposition. Like fungi had chitin in their walls while the green plants had a cellulose. And the next page is all prokaryotic organisms were grouped together under kingdom Monera, and the unicellular eukaryote organisms were placed in kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista were brought together Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, earlier placed in Algae within plants, and both having cell walls. Paramecium and Amoeba, which lack cell wall. Classification system which reflects not only the morphological and physiological and reproductive similarities, but it is also phylogenetic, and it is based on evolutionary relationships. Moving on to the kingdom Monera, bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. Many times these questions are asked. And blackroot of cruciferous are bacterial disease. They also live in extreme habitats such as hot spring, desert, snow, deep oceans. And here are the shapes on which they are divided under 4 categories. And bacteria occurs almost everywhere. Everywhere the bacteria are present, but they are not seen under the normal eye. But these can be seen under the microscope. And those So the bacterial structure is very simple, but they are very complex in behavior. Some of the bacteria are autotrophic. They synthesize their own food from inorganic substrate. They may be photosynthetic autotrophic or chemosynthetic autotrophic, and on dead organic matter for food that goes. And archaeobacteria, they are most harsh habitat like a strong rough and such as extreme salty halophiles, hot spring, and thermoacidophilus and marshy areas methanogens. Archaeobacteria differ from other bacteria in having a different cell wall, and methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals such as cow and buffaloes, and these are responsible for the production of methane biogas from the dung of these animals. And this is the chart through which the NH3 is converted into N2 through nitrosomonas and nitrococcus, nitrobacter and denitrification. And in from this chart many type of question has asked in previous year. Heterocysteine, nitrogen fixation, and mucilaginous sheath is a protection from water. म्यूसिलिजिनस sheath क्या करता है? ये प्रोटेक्ट करता है वाटर से. And cyanobacteria, also referred as blue-green algae, have chlorophyll A, which is similar to green plants. Cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. Unicellular is spirulina, colonial is Anabaena, and filamentous is Oscillatoria. Nostoc, and we had separated this from and make to more simpler so that many times you can directly see and learn it. They often form blooms in polluted water bodies. These organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocysts. Example is Nostoc and Anabaena. Chemosynthetic autotrophs, which oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia, and use the released energy for their ATP production. They play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. Heterotrophic bacteria are most abundant in nature. The majority are important decomposers. Many of them have a significant impact on human affairs. They are helpful in making curd like LFB and production of antibiotics and fixing nitrogen in legume, that is done through rhizobium, which is a not free living, that is symbiotic. And chlorella, typhoid, tetanus, citrus maker are known diseases caused by different bacteria. Bacteria produce mainly by fission, but sometimes under unfavorable conditions they produce spores and sort of sexual reproduction. DNA transfer from one bacteria to other through conjunction. And mycoplasma has lack of cell wall and can survive without oxygen, so it can be anaerobic, resistant to antibiotic penicillium, which is mycoplasma. Kingdom Protista are single-celled eukaryotes, in which chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime moulds, protozoans are under Protista. Chrysophytes, in this it includes diatoms and golden algae, which is known as desmids. It floats placidly in water currents like plankton. In diatoms, the cell wall from two thin overlapping cells which fit together as in a soap box, and walls are embedded with and walls are indestructible. Diatomeous earth. Diatoms are the chief producer in the oceans. Many times this question are asked in the previous exams. And dinoflagellates, ये mostly marine होते हैं, और the cell wall has a stiff cellulose plates. And red dinoflagellates के example है Ponyclix and Noctiluca. and sea appears red like red tides. Toxins released by such algae numbers may even kill other marine animals such as fishes. Eugeniloids, it is instead of a cell wall, they have a protein-rich layer called pelicell, and photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight, and when absent of sunlight they behave like heterotrophs by predating on other small organisms. Its example are Euglena. Slime molds are saprophytic protists. It is a connecting link between fungi and animals. Under suitable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodiums. They have a spores possesses true walls. Example is Physarum. Protozoans. All protozoans are heterotrophs and live as predators or parasites. And these are many examples like sleeping sickness caused by trypanosoma and parameciums, which is ciliated protozoans, and sporozoans, which is notorious, is plasmodium. It is a malarial parasite. Now move on to the kingdom fungi. This is used in making the wine and beer without distillation, and whiskey, rum, brandy, which is formed through distillation, which is done through the kingdom fungi members. Kingdom fungi members are heterotrophic organisms and show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. White spots seen on mustard leaves. Unicellular fungi like yeast are used to make bread and beer. Wheat rust caused by Puccinia, and source of antibiotic is penicillium. These present in fungi. Yeast, which are unicellular fungi, are filamentous. In multicellular cytoplasm, these are called cynocytic hyphae, and the cell walls of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharide. And reproduction in fungi can be take place by vegetative means, fragmentation, fusion and budding. इसको आप लोग शॉर्ट ट्रिक से याद कर सकते हैं, FFB. Like which type of reproduction is take place by vegetative means is FFB, which is fragmentation, fission and budding. And conidia or sporangiospores or zoospores. Conidia is exo and ascospores are endo, and basidospores are exo and zoospores are endo. And these 3 points are important because many times questions are asked through this. Fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes called plasmogamy, and fusion of two nuclei called karyogamy, and meiosis in zygote resulting in haploid spores. And the phycomycetes are the mycelium is aseptate and cynocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores motile or by aplanospores non-motile. Spores are endogenously. Mucor, Rhizopus and Albugo are parasitic fungi. This you can learn by short trick RAM. R is Rhizopus, A for Albugo and M for Mucor. And through this fungi can be learned through image, like first one is Mucor, second one is Aspergillus and third one is Agaricus, like Ma. You can learn this through Ma. And now move on to the another one. It is Basidomycete, which is a club fungi, which commonly are mushrooms, brake fungi and puffballs. Rust and smooths are example of these. The mycelium is branched and septate. The asexual spores are generally not found. These 4 basidospores exogenously. Fruiting body is called basidocarps. In this, Agaricus is mushroom and Astilugo is a smut and Puccinia is a rust. Many times Puccinia is asked. And Deuteromycetes are imperfect fungi Many times this question is asked. Imperfect fungi is called Deuteromycetes. Only the sexual, asexual or vegetative phase, that's why it is called imperfect fungi. The Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spores called as conidia, and in this mycelium is septate and branched. This example are Alternaria called trichome and trichoderm. And so trichoderm is produced through cyclosporin A used as an immunosuppressive agent and organ transplant. बायोलॉजी को आपको कनेक्ट करके पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आपको लिंक करना पड़ेगा अदर चैप्टर के साथ कि इसको आप पहले कहाँ और इस चीज़ के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं। जहाँ कहीं भी पढ़ें उसके बारे में उसी जगह लिख लें कि आपने पहले इसके बारे में और क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट किया है। जहाँ भी ये वर्ड आए उस जगह पे उसके बारे में डिटेल लिखते चलें, ताकि जितने बार आप NCERT रिवाइज़ करें आपकी वो डिटेल और रिवाइज़न होते चला जाए और वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक के लिए आपको याद रहे। एंड किंगडम प्लांटे इज chlorophyll containing bladderwort. Venus flytrap are example of insectivorous plants, and Cascuta is a parasite. Nepenthes is a picture, not a stem. It is a modification, not a stem modification, whereas it is a leaf modification. Cell wall made up of cellulose, and the diploid sporophytic and the haploid gametophytic. Kingdom Animalia, heterotrophic eutrophic organisms. These are multicellular, cell lack cell walls, store food reserves as glycogen or fat. Mode of nutrition, holozoic by ingestion of food. Virus, viroids and lichens. Acellular organisms like virus and viroids and lichens are acellular. Common cold or flu is rhinovirus. The viruses are non-cellular organisms, in which the name virus is venom or poisonous fluid, as given by Pasteur. But Ivan Voski recognized mosaic disease of tobacco and Biznerich extract the imperfect plants of tobacco which cause infection in healthy plants. Contagium vividum fluidinum is an infectious living fluid, and the virus could be crystallized. Viruses are obligate parasites. In general, viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA, and viruses that infect animals have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Bacterial viruses or bacteriophage virus that infect bacteria and usually double-stranded DNA virus. The protein coat called capsid, made up of a small subunits called capsomeres, protect the nucleic acid. These capsomeres are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms. Viruses cause diseases like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS. In humans, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing and vein clearing, dwarfing and stunt growth. And Theo Diener discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than virus, caused potato spindle tuber disease. It was found to be a free RNA. It lacked the protein coat, which is a viroids, which has ssRNA. Lichens are symbiotic associations. The algal component is also known as phycobiont, and fungal component is mycobiont. Algae prepare food for fungi, and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients for its partner. Lichens are good pollution indicators like SO2. They do not grow in polluted areas. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you had understand more through this video how to basic to underline this NCERT and what important parts we have to remember for our exam. Like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest videos. All the best for your exams, and thank you for watching this video.